If I would need to heal my digestion from scratch all over again after feeling trapped in my body for 15 years, there are three roadblocks I would focus on getting out of my healing way as fast as possible. After working with 500 plus one-on-one clients, thousands and thousands of gut feeders on YouTube, I see these three reasons all over again. The good news is once you address them, your body naturally heals itself without dozens of supplements, more lab testing specialists, etc. Reason number one, your nervous system. If your nervous system is in fight and flight mode, your digestion is in survival mode. So only if the body feels safe, the self-healing program can start. Number two, the foods you're eating, they might be actually stressing your digestion more than they help you. We're all unique. Your body has a natural way of telling you what it likes at what time and what it doesn't. Roadblock number three, symptoms are not obstacles. They're actually messages from your body. They're gifts in disguise to help you move forward in your life and to heal faster. That's why I created the gut healing toolbox that I use with my one-on-one clients to help them calm the nervous system, find the right healing foods, and understand the messages, the symptoms your body is giving you so you can move forward without struggling with your digestion for life. If that resonates with you, check out the gut healing toolbox below.